Hey, fifth graders, this is day 12 of our personal narrative. We're just going to jump right to it. So, this is the page that we're going to be working on. If you go to slide 2, you can click the link that will get you into making a copy of this page. I just moved our text box. All right. Okay. So, last couple of times we have been working on the beginning. Now we are going to start working on the middle of our personal narrative. Now, this is going to be the part in your story where a lot of the action happens, because in the beginning you're kind of setting it up, the middle is like what really went on, and then the end will be wrapping it up. So here in the middle, you're going to put what really took place. Some of you maybe ended up writing a little part of that towards the end of your beginning. It's okay to take that and put it into here and then expand on it. Just like our beginning pages, we have a checklist here that we're going to worry about next time. For today, I'm going to ask the same thing of you that you simply write. So you are going to pick up right where you left off on the first part on the beginning. So you're going to look at that beginning story and just keep writing right after your last sentence there. Or maybe even, like I said, maybe a sentence or two of that actually you realize needs to be here in the middle where the action is. And so you're going to start writing here. This one has 2 pages for texting, for writing your text as well. So when you fill this box, you can go right on into the next box and and fill in here as well. If you need more, we can get you more. So the middle is where all of that action is taking place, like what really happened in the event that you're talking about. So you're going to write that. You're just going to write and write and write. The next time when we do day 12, part 2, is where we're going to look more at this checklist. But be mindful, you want to think about your word choice again. Remember, you might go into some of those more common or often used words and try to choose something to replace them. And then those sensory details, you really want your reader to feel like they are there and use all of their senses to experience what you're writing about, what happened. And then using transition words next would be a big one in this part. Then and then including that dialogue. So be mindful of those things while you are writing. Again, if you need to write on paper and not type, you can do that, and then you can transfer it on to here. If you have any questions about any of this, make sure you check in. Here to help. And I'm excited to read your personal narratives as they start coming together. Have fun writing.